Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to study English class 5. Today we are going to study the poem A Misspelled Tale. As we have completed this poem in our last video, today we will do its exercise. It is page number 61. Question number 1. Before answering any question about the poem, try to write the poem in correct English. The first stanza has been done for you. The changed words are in italics. A little boy said, "Mother dear, may I go out to play? The sun is bright, the air is clear. Oh mother, don't say nay." In our previous video, I have done this whole poem with correct words. You can watch the video in which we have done this already. Let's start the question number 2. And answer the following questions. Question number A. What reasons did the boy give for wanting to go out? And the answer of question number 1 is, the boy said that the sun was bright, the air was clear, and that is why he wished to go out. This is the answer of question number A. Question number B. What warning was the boy given? And the answer of question number B is, he was warned not to lose his way. This is the answer of question number B. Question number C. What mood was the boy in when he went out? And its answer is, in the morning the sun was bright, then the weather changed, it started snowing. This is the answer of D. I am going to tell you the answer of question number C first. He was keen to go outside and play. He must have been happy when he was given permission to do so. This is the answer of question number C. Understand? This is the answer of question number C. Question number D. How was the weather in the morning and what way did it change? And its answer is, in the morning the sun was bright, then the weather changed, it started snowing. This is the answer of question number D. Question number E. What factors made the boy feel that things were not right? And the answer of question number E is, he was on his sledge going through snow drifts and watery pools, but normally he would have walked. Now he was lost and looking at a treacherous hole in the road. His progress had been too slow, and he wanted to meet some kindly soul because he had lost his way. This is the answer of question number D. Question number 3 is, refer to the text and answer the questions. A is, the aunt said, "Take your sleigh." Question number 1 is, who said these words and to whom? And its answer is, the aunt said these words to the little boy. Number 2 is, what kind of sleigh does the boy have? He has a nice new sledge painted red. And its part B is, though I would walk by rule, I am not right, 'tis plain. Question number 1 is, who said these words and to whom? And its answer is, the little boy says these words to himself. Next is, what does by rule means? And its answer is, it means normally, as is my usual habit. Next, how is the speaker feeling at this time? And its answer is, he is upset and lost. Next, working with words. Think of homophones, words with the same pronunciation but with a different spelling for the following words. First is feet, F-E-A-T, feet. Pain, P-A-N-E, pain. Sight, C-I-T-E, sight. Scent, S-C-E-N-T, scent. Seize, S-E-I-Z-E, seize. Soar, S-O-R-E, soar. Next, write the full forms of these abbreviations. First one is EG. It is example Gratria. B is kg, kilogram. BCE, before common era. MR, Mr. MRS, mistress. AD, Anno Domini. Next is conjunctions. Join the sentences below using the words and, but, so or because. A is he could not swim because he had a bad cold. ही को हम स्मॉल लेटर में कर देंगे, ठीक है, H. B, she was not at home, so we were not able to meet her. C, Mr. Shah went to the market and he का H स्मॉल करेंगे, he bought some eggs, ठीक है. He is, she is very tall. टॉल के बाद क्या आएगा, बट. हर का एच स्मॉल लेटर में लिखेंगे. हर सिस्टर इज क्वाइट शॉर्ट, ठीक है. शी इज़ वेरी टॉल बट हर सिस्टर इज क्वाइट शॉर्ट. नेक्स्ट इज आतिफ डिड नॉट हैव अ पेन. सो, SO, सो. ही का एच स्मॉल लेटर में डालेंगे. ही कुड नॉट साइन द चेक. F is Alia could not read the book because he had lost his glasses. ही का H स्मॉल लेटर में लगा देंगे. Rahila wrote the letter but she did not post it. Next is Rahim got a headache because he had done too much work. ही का H स्मॉल लेटर में लगाएंगे, ठीक है. टुडे वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस पोएम विद इट्स एक्सरसाइज. आज के लिए इतने काम होगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.